Discover luxury living at HOME Townhouses in Batumi's Green Gonio. Starting from $220,000, enjoy 13.9% annual returns and stunning views. Just 8 minutes from the beach, 10 minutes from the airport and city center. Enjoy 15% ROI, 25% annual appreciation with handover December 2025. These 3-story townhouses feature panoramic windows, thermal pool, green spaces, and full maintenance. Enjoy 100% freehold ownership inspired by mountain nature. Experience spacious living areas, bedrooms with balconies, and optional turnkey furnishing. Enjoy higher ROI than hotel apartments with 40 to 70% annual appreciation, perfect for living or rental. Secure your investment with a 30% down payment and flexible options. Invest in HOME Townhouses